Hi, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I went to Barcelona in March 2024. This is Europe, this is Spain, and here is Barcelona. This video is about day 4 of this trip. Today's main highlights will be the National Art Museum of Catalonia and the Castle of Montjuic. Good morning. So this morning I am really tired, I don't know why. I am going today to Montjuic for the whole day. Part 1 before the art museum opens. I'm taking the metro until the España station. That way I can walk up to the art museum and see the magic fountain, the stairs and the 4 columns. There we have the Arenas de Barcelona. There we have Plaza de España. And this way along there we're going to have the fountain of Montjuic. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, Montjuic. I'm pronouncing the G like the J, like a Jota, Spanish Jota. I think that these towers are the Torres Venecianas. This crossroad is a mess. Fira Barcelona, not sure what it is. Okay, so we've got the towers back there. The fountain here. The Palau Nacional with Museum of Art. By the way, it's 9:12. And my ticket is at 10 a.m. So that's what they are saying there, jet stop as a measure of savings due to droughts. And back here, let's see the view. Okay, so I can see how this would look good with like the water. I think they put some lights too in there, and then you have the towers and the hills behind. It could be like perfectly lining with the top of the hill, but the top of the hill is slightly on the side, so it's not satisfying. Like, you see what I mean? Like the fountain, the towers, and the top of the hill, but it's not right in the center between the towers. Canon Prima Super 105. It's really insane that the escalators right there. It just feels that we're trying to, even as tourists, to put in as little efforts as possible. But at the same time, I see the stairs and I just really want to take those. And they're opening the gates. Part 2. The National Art Museum of Catalonia. The Museu Nacional d'Art de Catalunya is located in the Palau Nacional de Montjuic, a vast neo-Baroque palace constructed for the International Exposition of 1929. It's located on the hill of Montjuic and it showcases Catalan art from the 11th to the 20th century, which means from medieval art to modern art, as well as an important collection of Romanesque art. So I have finished visiting everything and it's about 12:40. I'm already tired and I'm hungry, so I'm going to see if I can eat at the cafe. Catalan, jamón ibérico, ibri. I've got some postcards and some posters, so now I have to carry this for the rest of the day. It is sunny now. Part 3, trying to find the castle. It's just 2 p.m. and I'm just out of the museum and it's sunny. I need to go, so my ticket for the castle is at 3 p.m. but it's okay if I'm late. I would like to see the botanical gardens, or at least to cross them on my way to the castle. I needed to pull out the sunglasses. So that's the Palau San Jordi and Olympic Stadium. Look, it's actually open. I don't actually really care, I don't watch football or anything. So it's the first time I'm seeing a stadium actually from inside. Jardí Botanique. Entrada Jardí Botanique. It's 2:45. So funny story, on the map it looked like I could just go through the Botanic Garden and exit on the other side to go to the castle. But actually I asked and it's making like it's a circular path, like you can go all around inside, but the exit is at the exact same place as the entrance. So yeah, that would take me too long. Like of course I would like to see it, but not that much. And also I've seen the Parc Güell yesterday, so that was nice. So I'm just going to go around it in order to go to the Castle de Montjuic. Nearly at the castle. Part 4, the Castle of Montjuic. Okay, so I found the castle. Okay, it's a free walk around the castle. But I want to go inside, obviously. Very cool. So it's this way. Here's the telepheric. And it's only 3:10, so I'm not really late. I can see the entrance. Historically, it seems that the hill of Montjuic has always been inhabited in some ways. There was probably a beacon or a lookout tower as early as the 11th century. Then, the structure was fortified throughout the centuries until it turned into a fort in the 17th century, a fortress in the 18th century, and a castle in the 19th century. It was used as a prison during the 1930s and then under the reign of Franco. Oh wow, that is big. That's impressive. I have to say, the walk around the castle seems really nice. Look at her. There's a plane going behind in the far distance. I can go up there and show her with the boat, or up there, and we have this dramatic difference with the sky. That's the entrance there. Okay. the hills in the back. What a nice view! That's La Sagrada Familia. You can see Barcelona and firing. So it's 4:30, I've gone in the castle, I've gone all around, and yeah, I think I'm done with it. Now I want to walk around the castle on the free path, and then I want to take the telepheric. Alright, so I'm going back. Okay, and now I'm going to walk around the walls of the castle. I stopped at the lockers to get my sweatshirt because I was cold, but I didn't take my umbrella, thinking it would be fine. But it's already starting to rain. I'm just making good decisions one at a time. So the path continues there. And I guess it's a nice walk if you want to save 12 euros and not go to the castle. But there isn't really any view or anything, it's just a nice walk along the walls. And there are also some more here, where people can walk their dogs and whatnot, and cycle. But yeah, I'm going back. And it's obviously starting to rain. I need to go back to the entrance before going to the telepheric because I've left my bag in the locker. And now to the teleferico. Part 5, and now I'm going down the hill. Teleferic de Montjuic. I think I'm going to take it up to there. Yes, thank you very much. That first part was the shortest one, I think. It really feels like I'm in a basket just hanging by a thread. Like, I know that it's supposed to be safe, but it doesn't really feel like super safe. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's a little mirror. This one, Funicular de Montjuic. This company is different from the Teleferic, which is a private one. This is basically the same thing as the metro. And this is going to lead me to the metro station. Beautiful. was in the castle with one company. I took the teleferic from Castel de Montjuïc, Mirador, and Parc de Montjuïc. And then with the regular metro company, I took the funicular until Parallel. Yeah, I can take this one up to Catalonia, and this is all on one ticket basically because it's the metro company, so I don't have to exit. I can just take the metro now after the funicular. Plaza de Catalunya. I'm just going inside the hotel for a few minutes just to put my things, and then I will go out again for some shopping if things are open. Part 6. Let's have a nice dinner. Alright, I'm back outside. I am very lightweight and I am going to try to find some food. I am thinking maybe on La Rambla. I'm hoping it won't be too expensive. So Plaza de Catalunya is here, and La Rambla is the big streets that's going down in front of Plaza de Catalunya. This one I've seen online, Canaletas Cerveceria, and they have tapas, Iberian ham croquettes. That is an alfresco spritz, roasted potato with sobrasada. Perfecto. That was really good. I'm super full, 31 euros in total, but totally worth it. And now I'm going to go to the hotel and sleep. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Next on Barcelona 2024. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And please get my book. I also made a little book about Barcelona 2024, and I would really enjoy it if you want to have a look at it. I've put a link in the description. Thank you so much. Bye!